My name is Hayley Martin. I graduated with a first-class Bachelor of Arts degree in primary education, which I obtained at the University of Chester in England. I believe that all children deserve the right to a well-rounded education, which gives them the ability to become a lifelong learner. As well as helping a child to reach their potential academically, we must also strive as teachers to help children to discover who they are and who they want to become. Social development is of paramount importance. My advice to parents is to judge a school on the level of happiness that can be experienced within its walls. Schools with happy teachers and happy children showcase a love of learning and a desire to facilitate your child in all aspects of their development. My thoughts on integrating technology into learning is that, as we know, technology is advancing rapidly. It's our job as teachers to ensure that children are equipped with the skills to access and utilise a range of technology. However, I strongly believe that internet safety and mental well-being needs to be integrated into the learning environment to ensure that children form a healthy relationship with technology.